marching in a line, trudging through the jungle, feeling mighty fine. One saw bananas and slipped on a peel. Now there were 9 with trunks full of zeal. 9 bold elephants splashing in a lake. One did a cannonball, made the whole ground shake. Water flew everywhere, birds took to the sky. That left 8 giggling as time marched by. 8 great giants munching on some greens. One got distracted by dancing tambourines. He spun and he twirled till he dropped on the floor. Now just 7 were left to explore. 7 elephants climbing up a hill. One rolled down, oh what a thrill. He tumbled and laughed, not a single moan, leaving 6 to trek on, all on their own. 6 strong elephants playing in the shade. One found a hammock that someone had made. He curled up cozy, started to snore, and 5 went wandering a little bit more. 5 happy elephants waving their ears. One got scared by buzzing bees near. He ran off squealing, oh what a scene. That left 4 where 5 had been. 4 wise elephants under the sun. One saw a rainbow and had to run. He chased it far into colors so bright, so 3 stayed behind enjoying the light. 3 cheerful elephants heard a distant drum. One went dancing, boom ba boom bum. His feet couldn't stop the rhythm, too fun to wave goodbye as off he spun. 2 calm elephants watched the stars appear. One saw a comet and followed with cheer. He wandered far on the glowing blue, and one was left, the last of the crew. 1 little elephant under moonlight's beam closed her eyes and began to dream of all her friends so bold and fine. And soon she joined them, now back to 10 in line.